Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Oracle Linux 10.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Oracle Linux official website and download. It is oracle.com. Then click on products. See here we have the Linux. Click on it. Then click on download Oracle Linux. Then we have to click on see here ISO images Oracle Linux installation media for x86, 64 and ARM. So click on this one. Now see here there are several kinds of ISO images: full ISO, UVK boot ISO, source ISO. Okay, scroll down. See here we have the latest version of the Oracle Linux is 10.1 and 9.7 is the latest one from the 9.7 series. Okay, so we have full ISO, boot ISO, source ISO. Okay, whatever you want you can download. I'm going to download this full ISO. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 9.5 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded Oracle Linux R10 U1 means 10.1 DVD ISO. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Next, then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse for the downloaded DVD ISO. Then go to downloads. See here I have the Oracle Linux 10.1 DVD ISO. Select it. Then click on open. Then click on next. Now select the Linux and version as Oracle Linux. See here we have the Oracle Linux 9. But we don't have the 10, so select the latest version from this list. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Oracle 10.1 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. And this is the default location. If you want some other, we have to click on this browse button. Then select the path area, have the enough space. Click on next. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to customize any one of these options, then click on customize hardware. You want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Just use this pointer, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Okay, then click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings. Okay, if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. Okay, I want to only change the option. Go to settings, then display. See, by default accelerate 3D graphics is unselected. If it is selected, unselect it. Then click on OK. Then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Oracle Linux 10.1 and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So first click on this installation destination. I am okay with the default, so click on done. See here root account is disabled, so click on it to, if you want to enable, click on this enable root account radio button. Then set the password for root account. Remember this one. Then allow root SSH login with password. Select this checkbox, then click on done. User creation, I am giving user full name as R2 schools. This is the username, and add administrative privileges to this user account. Then set the password for this account. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Software selection. See here these are the base environment: server with GUI, server, minimum install, workstation, custom operating system, and virtualization host. Whatever you want you can select. Based on this, these options will change. These are optionally, you can select or unselect. Whatever you want you can select. Okay, I am going with server with GUI. If you want only server, you have to select this radio button. Then click on done. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system, and then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on the username that we have created and provide the password that we have set for this user. skip. Now open terminal, increase the font size, go to these horizontal bars, then preferences, then select the font, then just come down here, turn off this one, then custom font, select the font family whatever you want, select it, then close this one. See, font size has been increased. Now verify the version that we have installed. More / etc os hyphen. See, we have installed Oracle Linux 10.1. Okay, Q to quit, Control A. Now the first step after connecting to Oracle Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update __ sudo dnf upgrade. Provide the password of this user. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux 10.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.